Today we are making orange chicken. Let's start with the batter. In a bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, water, and an egg. Mix until you get a batter consistency. Once that's ready, you can add the chicken and mix again. Make sure all your chicken pieces are fully coated, and once that's done, refrigerate for 30 minutes. Now fry the chicken in the oil until brown and crispy, and then set aside on a paper towel. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a pan, heat some oil and add the chili flakes. Now add the garlic and the ginger and saute for a few minutes. Add your white sugar and brown sugar. Add soy sauce, vinegar, and orange juice. Let it simmer until the sugar dissolves. Now add cornstarch dissolved in water to thicken the sauce. Once your sauce is ready, toss the fried chicken into the sauce. Top with a bit of sesame oil and sesame seeds to serve. Your orange chicken is ready. Enjoy! For more amazing recipes, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Or you can visit us at lookandcook.com.